Do you take advantage of hotkeys when using your computer? I've always got one hand on the mouse and the other hand's on the keyboard. So I'm sitting there and I'm tapping keyboard shortcuts like crazy, and my wife sees me do something and she goes, "How did you do that? That would save me so much time." Well, with this series of videos, you too can learn to be a keyboard commando. Hi and welcome back to ScottiesTech.Info. I'm Scotty with my co-host Cletus the Tribble. Today's hotkeys are two of the most useful, Control-Z and Control-Y. Control-Z is undo and Control-Y is redo. So here you are, and I do some stuff. I do some bold using my other shortcuts, and I do italics, Control-I. Okay, now what if I want to undo that? I just tap Control-Z, Control-Z, and if I want to redo it, I hit Control-Y, Control-Y. Control-Z, undo, Control-Y, redo. That's actually more handy than you think. For example, if you're using Paint.net and you're editing an image and you do something you don't want, just Control-Z and it reverses the changes you made one step at a time. Control-Z as undo and Control-Y as redo. It's kind of like Control-B and Control-I, where they work in darn near everything, whether it's a website, an app running on your computer, whatever. Undo and redo are your best friends. Now, it may not seem like much, but keep practicing, and don't miss my other Keyboard Kommando videos. Master all the hotkeys, and before you know it, you will be computing like a pro. If you have a favorite keyboard shortcut, let me know in the comments below. And as always, like, subscribe to my Substack, and see links in the description if you'd like to make a donation to support my videos. Thanks. See you next time.